Yay! Woo!
Daddy? Mommy? Me.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on the lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey, hey, no, 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 no. Hey, hey, no, 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 no. Hello, everybody. We're gonna make our ginger house today.
I'm so excited.
We're so excited.
Look what I made.
Yeah, we're gonna do our gingerbread house. First time ko gumawa nito. I've never tried it before. So, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to do. We're just gonna do it. We're gonna wing it. Open them.
Make the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, so hard.
Ooh, careful, okay? We don't want to break them.
I'm my
Oh.
favorite.
Wow.
Can I have some?
Later when we make them, you can eat them after.
Oh, that's for the top.
We got this from Aldi for $6.99.
These are for the top.
Yeah, we're gonna copy what it looks like. Ooh.
My favorite. Oh, look.
Oh, look at this
Gingerbread
Christmas
person.
trees.
Look, gingerbread person. Look, he's right there.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
there's a
what?
Christmas tree.
Where's the ano?
Oh, and this too.
I think we need this too. Tray.
Ooh.
This is where we build it. Oh, wow.
Can we open this?
She wants candy.
Okay.
No, 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 not yet, baby. Is that yummy? Can you see? Where's your cookie? Excuse me, Ron, yung kamay mo saglit lang. Kasi I just need
Got
this.
it. I need to put some ice. Mommy, I need to put some ice.
Ice.
No, you don't need to.
Here, Belle. Look. Belle, here. Mmm, that good?
And I'm eating the gummy.
Ano ito mo?
Blue?
Wow!
Whoa.
Heck yes!
Why are you gonna add icing? You're fatty.
Mmm!
Yummy.
Tab?
Mm-hmm.
Wanna try?
It's like Graham's with... Sumama ito.
Can I try?
Mm-hmm. Put this one too in your mouth.
That's cinnamon. That's not Graham.
Huh?
There goes your dinner. You like your dinner?
What's ginger? It's a gingerbread.
Mmm.
Mmm.
No.
Okay. Mom, remember?
There goes our gingerbread house.
When
Happy birthday to you. Di sumasagot ng phone? Hello guys. It's Christmas Eve.
we're gonna wrap the gift.
We're not gonna wrap the gifts. We're gonna open the gifts. We're gonna open the gifts tonight. Kasi, bakit nga ba?
But I don't even know what
Because usually, we spend, Christmas Eve. If we were in San Diego, we would, we would open our gifts on the 24th. But since kami lang, might as well open it tonight, huh?
And Kuya Noah and Kuya Nico's gonna come here and open their gifts
Yeah,
too.
tomorrow.
Yeah. And
They'll be here tomorrow.
And I don't even know what's the ice cream one.
Shh! Alam niya na yung regalo niya. It's not even a surprise. Arabelle was trying to open hers. No, no.
She did?
Arabelle? Arabelle.
Does she know? Do you remember her name?
Arabelle, can you put that back?
L.
Yung Christmas tree namin, nawala na yung ibang ilaw. Oh.
Yeah, and I have my stocking in my Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's her
for me.
stocking. Hi, Belle! Careful. So yeah, we're gonna open our gifts tonight.
Ow!
Someone's excited. Are you excited? But first, we're gonna eat. Let's go eat first. Belle, what do you want?
You
What do you
have
want?
glasses on. I thought you do, so your eyes won't.
What
Mom,
does she
you
want?
and you have glasses.
What do you want, Arabelle?
Yeah, what?
What is it?
This is my iPad.
Show your iPad.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
Meron pang gift. Aaralyn, there's another gift. Siyempre si Daddy, he works hard for us, so he gets a Christmas present.
To be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by,
So lucky to have
but the difference this time
Isn't that right?
is that ever
Yes.
since July,
Good answer, good answer.
I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Yay!
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. First for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
So guys, we're done.
Yeah.
Opening our gifts. Tulog na yung isa doon.
No, I'm not.
No, this one.
I'm not.
We're gonna say good night. And Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yes.
Pag good night na, tumalog.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
The Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye.
How about Belle? Say bye. See you later. Bye. Close it. Arabelle. Close it.